Hello and welcome to the Voodoo free video for Monday, December 30th. This is David, and let's take a look at Bitcoin here. So these are the Bitcoin futures, and I can't tell you what the next move is. If we look at the all-time high, you can see it's right up here against one of our Voodoo tree lines. These are the second most important of the Voodoo line levels. And so if we were going to have a longer term top, this is a reasonable spot for it to occur from. After all, if we go back and look at this at this high that we made back in the spring, right? Prior to this drop down close to 50,000, that also came from a Voodoo tree line. So, so these can give us longer term tops. But it also could be a spot where we just get a pause and then continue up. So which is it going to be? Well, all I can tell you is what the likely course will be in those two scenarios. So, so it could be just a move down to perhaps retest this fire line, the most important of the levels. But if we break that fire line, then it's going to look like we're heading back down. In the meantime, these snow lines, one near 95,000, one near 100,000, those are going to benchmark progress between the tree line and the fire line level. So at this point, if if we can regain 95,000, then watch and see if that can be parlayed into support above 100,000. If it does, then let's watch and see if we can get back above 108, up to new all-time highs, and get support above the tree line. That would keep things focused upwards. But if we stay where we are at the moment after the close today, just underneath this Voodoo snow line at 95,136, right? That's the spot where, if we keep heading down from here, we have to worry about potentially revisiting that fire line and breaking below. So those are the roadmaps I'm watching here in Bitcoin, trying to figure out what is likely next. We will see how that comes together, and I'll be back with videos for you next Monday in the new year. Until then, of course, have a happy new year, and I will see y'all soon. Hey, David here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for taking a few minutes to watch this video. I hope you found it useful. And if you did, please help us out. Click the like button. You can also add your comments below. We love to read those and respond to them. You can also click the bell icon. That will alert you whenever we have new and updated videos. And if you want to watch us trade in real time with our own money, you can visit simplertrading.com to learn how to sign up. Until I see you again, as always, good trading, and we'll see you at the next video.